Hey guys, Flip Man here with PIA. What is PIA? Passive Income Accelerator. So we're on to our next luxury property, guys. I want to take you on a tour and tell you why I'm getting into this property and why you guys should also get into the short-term rental business. So come on in and I'll show you guys around. This is a 4,000 square foot home tucked away near the Superstition Mountains in Arizona. No HOA, guys, so that's awesome. The home was off market from a good buddy of mine. We're structuring this deal a little creatively where we're actually not gonna close on it till January of next year. So we're gonna get in here prior to busy season, get it up and running, and then close on it next year because of some tax reasonings for the sellers. But this furniture, guys, all the furniture stays, all the decor, everything is coming with the properties. This here is one giant room where you could just chill, hang out. You got the fireplace, you got the TV. No renovations needed on this one, guys. So let's go check out the bedrooms. I get lost in here. So you have a powder room right here in the hallway. And then this is one of the bedrooms. Very, very clean, new paint, new door handles, and they rarely stayed at the properties. It's not used a lot throughout the year. Over here is the master bedroom. And what we're gonna do, guys, we're just gonna get in this deal, and then after busy season, we're gonna do some renovations. So we're gonna leave everything the way it is, the shower, the tub, and then like I said, after we crush the numbers during the busy season, we'll take some of that money and then we'll do some renovations. Gotta check out this closet here. This is actually like another bedroom, it's so large. Again, very well kept, very clean. And you guys, if you want to JV or get into some of these luxury properties, I'm open to discussion, and I would definitely show you guys what we're doing with our luxury Airbnbs. So this giant bed here, this is early 2000s, so we may actually be getting a new bed frame now that I look at this, 100%. So there's things that I'll change out, but we'll just keep a lot of the furniture. So you have the two bedrooms over here. So it's a giant linen closet there. Love the high ceilings and the way they did the arches in here. Another separate area that your guests could be hanging out at. You could play cards here, you could have food, and again, this is what, 2, 4, 6, 8, so you got eight seats in there. This property could ideally fit like 20 people if you need to get like air mattresses and some pull-out sofas. This over here is the other wing of the house. You get lost in here. I got lost the first time I was in here. So this is another 2 bedrooms. It has the Jack and Jill bathroom. So I like the split floor plan with the 2 bedrooms over there, 2 bedrooms over here, but giant bedrooms, guys. Look how clean that is. Clean shower, clean vanities, so it's ready to roll. We're not sure who snuck in and slept on one of these beds, but I didn't find anyone in the house. And then we're gonna head to the giant laundry room over here. Again, they're leaving everything. They're leaving the washer dryer, that's all included. All the kitchen utensils, all the pots and pans. Got an extra fridge here. The garage, oh my goodness. You guys have to see this garage. Again, they hardly lived here being from Canada, so everything is like brand new because they haven't worn out anything. So there's no repairs needed. They just got a new water heater, a new AC in here. I think it was about a year ago they bought that. The cellar has this giant Escalade. So this is one of the extra large Escalades. And look at, you have about 6 feet extra, so they got that giant extra space in their garage. It's a 4-car garage, tons of storage, so you can even throw the kids in here if you want. There's a game room, guys. Come check that out, but super excited. Again, any of you guys that want to learn about JV, getting in on luxury Airbnbs, definitely reach out to me. We could sit down and chat. Back into the house. So we'll finish up inside with the kitchen and the family room. Just love the big windows. You could have your coffee over there. That fits like, what, 6, 8 people at that giant round table. You got newer appliances. I would leave the kitchen the exact same way. And like I said, after the busy season, we'll come in and change out some countertops, but totally has a Arizona vibe to the house. That's why I really enjoyed when my friend brought me in to see it. So it is an off-market deal, guys, and we always talk about working with realtors, so you have to network with realtors. So this here is a sign that This is a good one. This is the same wallpaper I just put in my luxury house. So that's a sign. They got the Costco soap. That's another sign. This is a great, great house. You got the sitting room over here. And again, right off the kitchen. It's very open. Got the giant doors. We just heard who came in, so we found out who's staying in here. This bathroom, guys, has a shower. It's for the game room, for the family room. You could use that. So 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. All this is staying. The only stuff that he's taking, he's even leaving the Pittsburgh. I'll change that out to the Chicago Bears, but we'll take it. But he's taking his memorabilia. But this is a separate private game room. It's everything you need in a luxury Airbnb. You guys haven't seen the best part, and we're gonna head out to the back right now and check out the beautiful view. The Superstition Mountains is right behind us. So let's go take a look. This is Arizona, guys. So people from the Midwest, New York, they want this view, guys. This is really what Arizona is about, with the Superstition Mountains right behind us. Again, there's no HOA. This is a giant, giant lot. The pool has a heater. That's something as a host, you could charge extra for, because when guests are traveling, sometimes they say, is the pool heated? And that's, you could charge for that. This is super cool. You could put some tables under here. It's got the outdoor lighting already. So there's not a lot. Well, I'm not doing anything out here. I am gonna change that bedroom set in the master, but that's all I really have seen so far. Definitely interested in your guys' opinion, what you would do with this property. The way we structured it with the realtor who brought it to us, we're going to take it over in September of this year, and then we're not gonna cash them out until January of next year, because they can't get hit with the big capital gains in 2022, so they want to defer it to 2023. So now the question is, how much should we put that purchase price of 2023? So we're all working through that right now, and I'll keep you guys posted on what I ended up paying for this one. Jacuzzi out there, beautiful pool, gorgeous mountains. You got the putting green over here. So all this adds up, guys. Like, I'm doing one in Chandler right now. My budget so far, I spent about $150,000, and that's only on the inside. So finding one that's already completed, and if you can negotiate a deeper discount in today's market, and then also get creative on some financing. So this is passive income at its best, guys. If you want to learn more about how you can get involved in passive income, definitely check out my modules, Passive Income Accelerator. There's 9 modules in there. We're always updating them. Plus, we have our group Zoom every Tuesday. We just started this, guys, and we have students already crushing the Airbnb business. Definitely check it out. Hit me up with any questions. Save the video, like it, share it with your friends, and we'll see you on the next video. And come check out this one when we get started on collecting passive income.